Hello, welcome to howtoguru.club podcast created by Grijzenhout. Welcome to episode 14 of my podcast series, which I title Corporate Message Management Risk Avoidance Considerations. Beyond the capabilities that corporations need to have in their messaging platforms from a business usefulness perspective, they need to be thinking about implementing capabilities in their messaging infrastructures that ensure that the emails that they send out get into the hands of the people they're trying to send them to. In addition to the importance of efficiently sending out millions of messages daily, where messages need to go out quickly, without fail they have to reach recipients. Outbound IP addresses have to be whitelisted as far as is possible with every ISP globally. This means not just passively sending messages in the hopes that they get there. What it means to a corporation is this. They need to take proactive steps to get whitelisted. They're monitoring ISPs continually to ensure that the corporation remains whitelisted, and knowing how and when to act when issues start to occur within an ISP, so that it can proactively sort out an issue before becoming a blacklisted problem. Monitoring where ISPs put emails that are sent out. For example, are they getting sent to a user's primary email address? Do they get blocked, or does the ISP send the corporation's messages to junk mail? A corporation's messaging platform also should then have the capability to correct the blocking and junk mail scenarios with these ISPs when they occur. Keeping a corporation's used IP addresses clean, usable, and recognizable globally as being okay to deliver and okay to receive by each email service ISP is always a priority. Monitor ISPs to ensure that each email sent to them gets delivered to an authentic account holder. And if an email address sent out is invalid, the corporation needs an internal system that instantly blocks the corporation from sending out a second email to a dead drop, to avoid being blocked by an ISP for sending messages to dead drop accounts. Additional individual message management control capabilities that should be implemented also include the following. Ensuring message header verbiage and content pass scrutiny by ISPs reading them for certain keywords that could label them as potential spam. Ensuring that every email sent out has an opt-out feature available to the recipient, and ensuring that the corporation does not send a second email after an opt-out to avoid spam complaints, which also can get the corporation blacklisted. Depending on the corporation's volume considerations, it may need to have a revolving set of virtual valid IP addresses that are used to send out messages to always try to reduce the volume of emails sent to individual ISPs, as they will block high volumes of emails coming in from a single IP address. The corporation will need to, in an automated fashion, cleanse email send-out lists against suppressed and banned email addresses. It will need to automate the subscriber grievance response process to ensure each grievance is addressed quickly and consistently to a customer's satisfaction. Automatically manage bounces in a professional way as they occur to avoid getting blocked or blacklisted by an ISP. In looking for your solution, remember also that higher-end solutions that are able to solve all or most of the above considerations are usually implemented on your internal servers, as this gives you the most control of your messaging systems and IP addressing solutions. This is an added implementation cost that you will need to factor into your solution. Remember that you will need to build in certain levels of fault tolerance into this solution, and this means server redundancy, automated failover features in case of a crash, automated IP address failover solutions in case an IP address you are using gets compromised, and be sure to make sure that your data center has available ISPs for your outbound communications available for your use. If you end up opting for a lesser messaging management solution, you will probably be looking at some form of service bureau implementation, and they will have their own concerns about the safety of their shared IP addresses that you would be using on their platforms. And it is not unheard of to have some other organization who shares your outbound physical IP address bring you down occasionally if their message management processes are not strong enough from a risk avoidance perspective. So be prepared with a failover plan if you must use one of these solutions for your enterprise as opposed to going in-house. The purchase decision for the message management platform you ultimately select and implement for your corporation will naturally be predicated on the volume and types of messages you need to send out. The importance on these messages getting into the hands of the people you send the messages to, and the criticality of your enterprise that the messages get sent out and accepted. For example, what will it cost you if you are blacklisted with ISPs for a week or two and you can't get your messages out to your intended recipients? Putting in fail-safe or close to fail-safe solutions for your message management platforms will cost you more money to implement, but be fully aware of what it could actually cost you in lost business if your messaging systems fail you for any length of time. Bye for now. If you like the content that I'm creating, be sure to visit my website at howtoguru.club. That's HOWTOGURU.CLUB. You can also sign up to receive my hints and tips newsletters and gift downloads at howtoguru.club/signup.htm. Howtoguru.club is a free training site I've built to help people wanting to build or improve their home-based businesses. So be sure to take a look around the site and add my site to your list of favorites for future reference. New content is appearing there regularly. See you soon. Bye-bye.